What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you be changing out your brake lights, tail lights on a Honda HR-V. Probably about the same from the 2016 to about the 2022. All you want to do is come back here. If you have a Phillips head screwdriver, basically you want to pop your trunk. If you have a Phillips head, you can take it out with that, but it's probably easier if you take a 5/16 and just take out these two screws right here. Yeah, if you take out these two screws, one be at the top, one at the bottom. Take the top one out now. And once you get these two screws out, all you want to do now is come to the side like that and just want to pull just like that. And once you do that, you'll have your whole brake light assembly out. You'll have your whole brake light assembly out once you do that. Then what you want to do is just come right here. You can spin just like that, and you'll be able to pull out your bulbs to change them out. So then you get your new one. Remember, don't touch them with your bare hands. Always wear some type of gloves or something like that so you won't get grease on them. And if you need to change out your whole brake light assembly, what you'll need to do is unplug right here. You see this white piece? You want to press down that, unsnap that, and you can take this whole brake light assembly off. But just to change out your bulb, you would just turn right here and pull that out. All right. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. All right. Thanks. And when you're putting it back on, you want to look right here, and you'll have a little slide piece that you're just basically going to slide. If you come to the side over here, you're sliding that basically right behind this little white piece right here. That's what you're doing. You're sliding it behind there like that. All right. Please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.